Hi everybody, I'm Susan and this is my channel, Susan's Road Less Traveled. It is Sunday. I've had the bus back for 4 days. This is going to be my longest trip this afternoon. I'm headed across over to the mountains of the upstate of South Carolina in the Brasstown Creek area to visit some friends that have a cabin, and prior to going there I'm going to do a little loop around a couple of roads I haven't been on before, but it looks like it kind of loops through the valley a little bit, and they live at the top of a pretty steep hill, so I'm going to attempt the ascent to their house, and it's a dirt road. I've been on worse, so it's going to be first gear up all the way, but I'm going to try it out anyway. First things first, a little tour through the valley. So if you can hear me over the wind, I am climbing into the mountains, and I am doing 53 with no problems at all. In the past, prior with the old engine, I would be doing probably about 30 right now. So I'm pretty happy with this situation. Compression's good. Just a great ride. Somebody go by me, because that's the kind of hippie I am. People are in too much of a hurry. I did notice that the first day that I drove this home on Thursday, I was decidedly unhurried in going anywhere. I normally drive a little Fiat 500, 5-speed, and you know, I zip around and go from here to there, and you know, and I got into Alice and I didn't have anywhere to be. I mean, I was still not having any problems pushing 65, but I know one thing is I'll never get pulled over for speeding in this bus. I missed my turn, but I'm taking this little road here, Black Mountain Road. It's asphalted, but it's not double yellow. Oh, road closed in 1 mile. No wonder. never mind. Road closed. Okay. I'm gonna go back out to Unity then, because I don't know how to go without, let me see if my GPS is working. Alright, so I'm backtracking because the cut-through road that I wanted off of this double yellow just had a closed sign in 1.5 miles. And I don't know how long I might have service out here, so to try to GPS the continuation of this road I'm on, I don't want to get lost in the opposite direction. So I'm going to head back to the main drag where I was, and then I'm going to go up a few miles and then get my left over towards my friend's house. So best laid plans. Alright, I'm back on the main drag. That sky is phenomenal today. I'm doing 50 and I'm really happy with that. She's just driving so great. So my turn's coming up here in a second. A couple more switchbacks. Surprised I haven't seen more bikes out today, but alright, so I'm on my main drag route going into my friend's place, and I'm going to stop when I get to the bottom. So I'm a little bit early, so let the dogs out on the leash to pee and whatnot. But this is a beautiful ride through the valley right here. Well, heavy-handed. Little rough road on the edges there. Look at those trees. Green is just phenomenal. Look at the turkeys, Sammy. Turkeys and sheep. Baby sheep laying in the field. Lots of sheep. So I'm waiting for a guy that lives on this road to finish grading. So we got a lot of rain yesterday, and I had texted my friend to ask if I was going to make it up in the bus because I wanted to try it. And when I was coming to the road, there was a guy with a bobcat that's grading the road, and so I kind of went past him, did the river thing, and then I just came back and he was up around a corner and he saw me, so he came down, and I said, you know, I'm visiting friends at the top and can I make it up there? And he said, yeah, just give me 10 minutes to grade a couple more spots and I'll come down and let you know when I'm done, because I was afraid to go ahead and start driving up thinking that I was gonna meet him somewhere on this road that's one lane, and I don't want to get stuck. I just want to go. So we're just waiting for that. And then I was thinking, you know, one accessory that every female VW owner needs to always have around their wrist is a hairband. Never can have too many hair bands. So get a little windy out. So we're just waiting for this neighbor to come, and then I'm gonna turn it on and we're gonna hit the hill. Here we go. So it's about an hour home. Thanks everybody for joining on the adventure today. Alice did great, first time out, probably about 100 miles on the new engine. So more to come. Love y'all, have a great week. Bye.